Most B2B founders set their pricing once and then never touch it again. In these cases, the price is often 20 to 40% too low. And maybe you face the same issue here, because they know that they have the wrong pricing. But the problem they are facing is that they don't have a system in place that tells them how to fix it. So today, I'm going to show you my exact system that I use in Claude in order to fix this pricing issue. Hey, I'm Lucas, I'm the founder of PricingOS.ai, and we help B2B entrepreneurs and product managers to build their pricing strategy in under 1 hour. And here's the pattern I keep seeing. The founder is technical, the product is good, and the market is real. But the price was set in under 30 minutes through gut feeling, just by looking at maybe 2 competitor pricing pages. And now, out of a sudden, every sales call with potential clients becomes a discount negotiation, because the founder isn't confident enough to enforce the price into the market. And why should he? Because it was a fast decision out of gut feeling. Here's the thing nobody tells you. If you increase the price by just 1%, it's an 11% jump in profitability. Price has more than 3 times the impact of a volume increase, which means that founders who guess their price aren't losing a little revenue. They are losing the single highest leverage decision they have in their business. And the reason why they don't fix it isn't laziness. It's because of methodology issues. We talk about price boundaries, value drivers, willingness to pay, and price model selections. Everything a consultant knows, but not a founder. So what I did is I built a system that you can use in any AI of your choice. In our case, personal preference, it's Claude. And we call that system the AI Pricing Architect. The cool thing is, this is completely free for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I set up the project in Claude, how I use it, and what comes out of it. Let me start the screen sharing to show you how to use the AI Pricing Architect. All right, so we are here now in the AI Pricing Architect. It's under the PricingOS.ai branding, powered by Elmon Consulting GmbH. The AI Pricing Architect is a workflow in Excel that you can apply in your AI of your choice. Okay, so either in Claude or in ChatGPT. So in parallel, I have here my Claude open, and we will now go from screen to screen in order to show you how this works. So in the AI Pricing Architect, you always have this index, which is the same as the sheets that you have on the bottom, and you have a content window for each and every step. You start with start here, and then you go into the foundations, and in the second step into the pricing. For each and every step, you switch from the Excel sheet into Claude and let the AI help you with each and every step. The end result is a well-founded pricing decision for your product with the ideal customer profile, a pricing strategy, a model, and a concrete price point. You have, in the end, an AI project in your Claude, for example, that knows your full pricing logic, and you can now keep consulting whenever something changes about your product, market, or your customers. And you can get a clear argument chain to back up every price point that you calculate. So how do we start? We click here in the AI Pricing Architect on Foundations, and we are in the first step. So welcome to the AI Pricing Architect. We will not go through each and every step here. For this video, I just want to show you how to use the AI Pricing Architect. So for every step, you have a prompt on the bottom here, and this prompt you use in Claude. You start with creating a project in Claude. So you enter here a name in your AI Pricing Architect, which could be, for example, pricing PricingOS.ai, so our software, we could price it now together. And then the AI pricing architect tells you, hey, set up a new project in your preferred AI tool and name it like this. It's PricingOS.ai. So we will copy this, we go into Claude and we open projects, and you see I already have a project of that, but I create a new one, copy and paste it in, and I will just call it a PricingOS 2. So I create a project, and now I'm here in the project. Why are we using projects and not just the chat? Because we could also put the prompt just in the chat. I mean, this chat is nothing else, right? No, in a project you can upload files, and you can give the AI consultant instructions. That is very important, because with the files and the instructions you give him context on how you want him to behave, on what sources he shall rely when he answers specific questions. And the AI pricing architect works like this. With all steps you have a prompt, and the output of the prompt is a PDF. Okay, so when you go here and copy this prompt and put it in the first chat, the AI starts working and will ask you some questions about your product. And then, so in that case, what's your product name? Okay, so that's easy. I would say PricingOS.ai. And while I answer all of the questions, it in the background uses pricing knowledge in order to come up with good recommendations, and the output will be a PDF. We will forward this video to the end result of this first step. Maybe one important point here, we highly encourage you to use voice to be faster. If you use voice to answer the questions of the AI pricing architect, you are able to finish the whole process in under 1 hour. So we are back. Here what you can see now is after I've answered all the 4 questions in that case, the AI summarizes. Here's what I understood. PricingOS is a 9-step AI guided workflow that produces a complete pricing strategy document per product with pre-generated answers, and the user refines and the AI consultant feedback at each step. That's correct. It has an AI brain, and yeah, the rest is also fine. I don't read through all of that now. This is accurate, so I just say yes. And what it now does is it creates a PDF. I download that PDF and upload it in the context of the project. All of these steps are explained in the AI pricing architect. So in the Excel, you see it here. Pro tip, use the dictation function. As a final step, export the PDF and add it to the project as a file, and then go to ICP. So you go through all of these steps exactly like this. And in a minute, I will show you the end result. Here, back in Claude, you see that it now works on the product description PDF. So we have to understand exactly what this product is about and what it's not. And then in the end, you have this document that you can also use for other purposes. Obviously, it's a complete product description of your product, and this is also the idea of the consultant. You shall be able to use all the information that you work on here also for other projects, and the product description is always important. So we download this as a PDF. You can obviously refine it. You can also enrich it with more data, but for the initial pricing, it's important to now go and use this PDF so that with the other steps, the AI has more context and can come up with an initial price. And then in the end, you have a full project like I already have with the price. With the PricingOS, for example, here where you have all the chats, all the documents here, and then also the output of a real pricing strategy, a real pricing model, and the concrete price points. This project here for PricingOS.ai is still with version 1 of the AI pricing architect. For this video, I specifically did version 2. So what you have to understand is that we developed the AI pricing architect just for our clients at first. Then I gave it out in LinkedIn and over 100 people signed up for it. I was really surprised and I got a lot of great feedback. So what we did was we developed the PricingOS.ai based on all the experience. Now our software is definitely the better version, but I always said that the AI pricing architect shall be a solution that is for everyone and always for free. So what I now did is, based on all the feedback and also the feedback we have from the PricingOS.ai users, we've created a version 2 of the AI pricing architect. And this is what you see here. I have also a project with AI pricing architect. This is what I did a couple of hours ago, as you can see here. And the output now is new because what we did is we improved the prompts a lot. So the output of the PDFs is way better. But the second thing we did is we also put out new files. Okay, so in the end, what is automatically generated is the PDF for the final pricing system, the pricing slide. So you have a PPTX, a PowerPoint file. It looks like this, yeah, where that you can use in your pitch deck. You can always refine that. This is the first version, right? But you also have a pricing page as an HTML file. This looks like this. And this you can use for your website. So what you can see here is, after we've priced the AI pricing architect, we said, okay, the best idea is to give it out for free as a starter, you can also say lead magnet for PricingOS. Yeah, so the second tier would be PricingOS.ai. And then optional extras is a consulting workshop. So the AI pricing architect now is so intelligent that it also understands what good and bad bundling options are. And this is what we really improved here, and I highly encourage you to try out the AI pricing architect on your pricing. This, as you can see here, I mean, it's with the development of the Excel. Okay, so we developed the prompts further, we translated it to English, and we used it on our own pricing. And this was 3 hours. So imagine what you can do when you just apply the prompts and answer the questions. It's around 3 questions per step. And in the final steps, so the pricing model selection and the pricing strategy, and also the final pricing system, it's only a confirmation that you need to do. So the AI pricing architect takes over a lot of work for you and really helps you to build your pricing system. Here's what changes when you run this. You finally stop treating pricing as a one-time decision that you make on launch day. You are finally going in a continuous learning system in which you can ask your consultant anything, you can give him new information, and you can optimize your pricing according to the environment in which your product lives. Every sales conversation becomes a new input. Every objection becomes a refinement. And every competitor move becomes a follow-up prompt and not a panic moment. You, as a founder, don't need to become a pricing expert. If you want to try this now on your own, the link for the AI pricing architect is in the video description. If you can optimize your pricing with the AI pricing architect, please let us know in the comments. Until then, see you in the next video.